virus which have created a significant knock on effects on daily life of people of the world nowadays. An organism that is a connecting link between living and non-living. In this video, we are going to discuss about this wonder organism which have created a havoc in our day-to-day life. So let's start. A virus is a submicroscopic infectious agent that replicates only inside the living cells of an organism. It consists of DNA or RNA as the genetic material, a protein coat, and an outside envelope of lipid in some cases. Viruses spread in many ways. One transmission pathway is through disease-bearing organisms known as vectors. Generally, viruses are divided into three types according to their shape and symmetry. They are cuboid, helical, and complex or atypical symmetry. Let's discuss about the characteristic features of viruses. Living characters include presence of nucleic acid and protein, capable of mutation, ability to multiply within living cells, able to infect and cause diseases in living beings, shows irritability, host specific. Non-living characters include can be crystallized, absence of metabolism, inactive outside the host, do not show functional autonomy, energy producing enzyme system is absent. Viral genomes. Viral genomes may be single-stranded or double-stranded RNA or DNA and may or may not use reverse transcriptase. In addition, single-stranded RNA viruses may be either sense or antisense. Viruses are classified into 7 classes. They are double-stranded DNA, single-stranded DNA, double-stranded RNA, single-stranded RNA, single-stranded antisense virus, single-stranded RT-sense virus, and double-stranded RT-DNA. Hierarchy. Virus is classified into 9 kingdoms, comprises 16 phyla, 36 classes, 55 orders, 168 families, and 1421 genera and 6589 species have been discovered as of year 2019. Few examples of human viral diseases are common cold, influenza, chickenpox, rabies, Ebola, AIDS, SARS, and etc. Plant viral diseases include tobacco mosaic, cauliflower mosaic, sugarcane mosaic, potato leaf roll, bunchy top of banana, etc. Animal viral diseases examples are foot and mouth disease of cattle, rabies of dog, encephalomyelitis of horse. Facts about coronavirus. Coronavirus is the member of the family of SARS viruses, some of which can infect people and animals, named for crown-like spikes on their surfaces. The coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 was first identified on December 31, 2019. The World Health Organization declared the outbreak a public health emergency of international concern on January 30, 2020. COVID-19 is a novel coronavirus, that is SARS-CoV-2, named by the International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. What is SARS-CoV-2? Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2 is the name given to the 2019 novel coronavirus. SARS-CoV-2 is a new strain of coronavirus that had not been previously identified in humans. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is a new disease caused by a novel member of the coronavirus family, SARS-CoV-2. That's a close cousin to SARS and MERS viruses. Co stands for corona, V stands for virus, D stands for disease, and 19 refers to the 2019, the year in which it was first discovered. Coronavirus is single-stranded RNA virus with sense. Human factors like population growth, urbanization, human migration, viral factors like viral evolution, virus adaptation, genetic variations, environmental factors like climate change, global warming, etc. are some of the major reasons for the recent rise of emerging and transboundary viral diseases. Preventive measures for COVID-19 include physical or social distance, quarantining, washing hands frequently with soap or sanitizers, keeping hands away from face, using mask in public places, avoiding crowded places, maintaining hygiene and well-balanced diet. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.
Want to know more about these topics? Please follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.